Uber is a common household name in the present time, making it the top choice for people looking for taxi booking on the go. Massive demand for the app's services has made the company reach a hefty net worth of 90 billion US dollars. This makes Uber not just a popular app amongst consumers, but also a great business idea. As a consequence, questions like how to build an app like Uber are becoming common amongst entrepreneurs. While many are still trying to find the answer to the questions, very few have actually made an app that can compete with the taxi booking giant. In today's video, we will be taking you on the road to what it takes to build an application like Uber. Do make sure to watch the video until the very end, as we will also be discussing the cost of building an Uber-like app. Also, if you have not already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This will ensure that you don't miss another update from our channel. Without any further delay, let's find out how to build an app like Uber. Uber is a highly complex application and is made with numerous functions and technologies. To simplify, Uber has divided its app into 3 modules. Each of these modules is a whole different app with different functionalities and features, depending upon who is using the app. In order to find how to build an app like Uber, we must discuss the different modules of the app. The first one is the passenger app. This part of the app allows people to book a taxi on the go. The riders can find nearby rides and reach their destination with ease. Next, we have the driver's app. Uber also has an app for the drivers to connect with the riders who want to take the trip. Once Uber verifies the driver's profile and vehicle's information, they can start using the app to find trips. The third and final part of the app is the admin panel. An admin panel facilitates the absolute management of the application. In Uber, the admin panel is useful for managing passengers, drivers, and the company's business altogether. When we combine these 3 components, we get what is popularly known as the Uber platform. The only thing that differentiates these modules from each other is the features present in them. You would have observed that each module in Uber has its unique set of features and functionalities. These features are classified as MVP features and advanced features. The features of the passengers module are selecting a destination, booking the cab, finding estimated fare, tracking the driver's location, contacting the driver, choosing a payment method, rating trip experience, driver's arrival time, expected trip time, and more. On the other hand, the driver's features are fewer and simpler. On the Uber app, a driver can accept or reject a passenger's ride, get navigation instructions in the app, chat or call passengers, and receive the trip fare. To make sure that the drivers and the passengers of the Uber app are on the same page, the company uses various admin panel features such as managing passenger and driver profiles, managing driver vehicles, resolving disputes, managing payments, managing notifications, review management, and more. While all these features are MVP features, certain features like splitting fare, sharing ride details, booking a ride in advance, and heat map are top-notch advanced features in the app. How well these features will perform largely depends upon the technology used for developing an app. For this reason, it is crucial to choose the right programming language, database technology, and cloud server for your app. Uber is a native application that was developed using Swift as a programming language for the iOS version and Kotlin for Android. The admin panel was developed using Node.js. The database technologies used for Uber are MongoDB, Cassandra, and PostgreSQL. Moreover, Uber utilizes Amazon's EC2 cloud computing services to ensure the smooth running of its app. Therefore, our recommendation to everyone who is planning to build an app like Uber is to take ample time to understand the scope of each of these technologies to make the best choice. Which of these technologies your app will utilize also significantly depends upon the development approach you choose to follow. Depending on what you want out of your application, you can build an Uber-like app in different ways. Each way will have its own impact on the way the app will perform. Native and cross-platform are the two primary app development approaches. You can choose either of these approaches for your app development project. Cost, customizability, functionality, and performance vary from one approach to another. As an expert app development company, our first recommendation is to go for native app development for the best user experience. However, if you cannot afford to invest the time and budget of native development, cross-platform approach is another alternative. Now that you are well versed with everything that goes into building an application like Uber, we are all set to discuss the costing part of the app. If you know how to develop an app like Uber, but are still not aware about how much it will cost to do so, your ideas are at a great risk of failure. Don't worry. We have prepared the complete cost breakdown to help you understand how much it will cost you to develop an application similar to Uber. Just like any other application, a taxi booking app like Uber is made of different components. The cost is divided into different parts of the app, which are the passenger app, driver app, and admin panel. We can sum up the total cost of developing an app like Uber to be anywhere from $35,000 to $75,000 for native Android and iOS apps. Once you have figured out your requirements and have understood all these factors, you are good to go for developing an app like Uber. We are sure that by now you are pretty clear on the question how to build an app like Uber, right? Well, in case you have more questions, you can always reach out to our expert team and get a free consultation from them. We are the Gray Bear, the leading app development company based in the USA. We have been in the business of expanding businesses digitally for more than 8 years now. With our robust solutions and unique approaches, we are known to deliver high-end results that add value to your business. In case you are looking for a development partner to build an application like Uber, you can connect with us and get a free consultation from our experts. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button. Also, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment box and we will be glad to answer them. We will be back again soon with another interesting topic. Until then, stay tuned and make sure to check out the other videos on our channel.